So today I'm gonna change my tire. Okay. To change the tire, you're trying to unscrew here first. All of them four, but not all the way through. You just unscrew a little bit. Okay. So it can be a little soft to unscrew. Then you put the car up, but you watch under the car where to put exactly the thing, right? Over here, where you see some iron over there, you can put it over there. Don't put it on the plastic here. Then you lift up the car. Then you take off the tire, and then you put the new tire. Okay, put the new tire, and you just clear. Like that. Yeah. Now you're gonna do the inverse. Okay. You tight it a little bit over here, and then when you put it in the ground, you tight it. You make it tighter. Okay. Like that. So just a little bit. Finish. You can just put the car back down over here. Okay. And you good to go.